Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin into a rabbit. I'll be using a cloth napkin, but this also works well with a paper napkin. Now we're going to start by folding both of these edges into the center. Now we're going to bring this top edge down to the bottom edge. Next we're going to fold this edge down starting right in the center. Then do the same thing with the left side. Now just make sure they're even. Next we're going to bring this corner into the center. Do the same thing on the left side. Now we're going to bring this edge into the center. And the same thing on the left. Now turn the whole thing over. Next we're going to swing this point up right between these 2 points. Now turn that over. Now we're going to fold this edge in a little bit. Then do the same thing with the other side. Now we're going to need to tuck this flap into this pocket. And then turn it around. Now you can open up the ears. And then you can be done there. It looks really cool. You can also open these up a little bit. And we are all done. Now, I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.